Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting into Settings, despite Talkback reading UI allowed. Use 2 fingers to scroll when items won't respond to single taps. Once you locate Settings, choose Apps and Notifications or Accessibility directly. This ensures you reach accessibility options quickly. You do this because Talkback intercepts normal gestures, so switching to 2-finger scroll is essential. Make sure to steady your pace and confirm selection by double tapping when an item is highlighted. This gets you to the accessibility section to turn Talk. Once in accessibility, you look for Talkback or Screen Reader, sometimes listed under Installed Services. You should single tap an entry to hear its name, then double tap to open it. This is how Talkback requires confirmation. After opening the Talkback page, find the on/off switch, focus it, and double tap to change state. You do this because accidental single taps won't deactivate the service. Make sure to wait for the confirmation dialog and double tap Confirm or OK to complete the disable action. You finish by confirming Talkback is off and verifying normal single tap behavior. After double tapping any confirmation prompts, test the home screen and settings to ensure standard gestures work. If Talkback won't turn off, try the accessibility shortcut by holding both volume keys for 3 to 4 seconds, which toggles the service if enabled. Make sure to reboot the phone as a fallback. Reboot often clears stuck accessibility processes. If problems persist, use Settings Search to jump directly to Talkback and repeat the disable steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.